This is raw material, bananas before reaching the juice factory.
Making sure the manifest matches the load to the factory.
Confirmed. ETA is updated on the tablet.
Check the color on this bunch against the chart.
Yeah, still solid green. We're clear for processing.
How's the reading on this batch?
Looks consistent. We're clear to proceed.
Pressure is stable. Homogenization is complete. Confirmed. We are ready for storage now.
Check the pressure on line 3. This one looks good. Seal is tight.
Go ahead and place that on the third shelf in aisle 5.
Confirmed. Inventory updated.
Pallets 1 through 20 confirmed and ready for the USA route.
Excellent. The temperature logs match the manifest.
Easy on the approach. Set it down gently. Straps are tight. We're clear back here. We need aisle 4 cleared for the new shipment.
Roger that. Make sure the banana juice is scanned before it goes up.